Welcome to all of you. In this session, we are going to understand the generation of two discrete time signals. First one is the unit sample sequence and one more is the unit step sequence. Let us first start with the unit sample sequence. The unit sample sequence is given by the expression delta of n is equal to 1 if n is equal to 0 and 0 otherwise. It is represented by at 0 it will be equal to 1, the amplitude will be equal to 1, and in all other locations its value will be equal to 0. The y-axis is the amplitude and x-axis is the n value. Now let us go through the program to generate this waveform. So this is the code for unit sample sequence using Scilab. Now if we make an execution of this one, so we are going to get the waveform like this. As you can observe, the value at location 0 is equal to 1 and in all other locations the value will be equal to 0. The range we are considered is -5 to +5. So it is showing the range from -6 to +6. So in all other locations except 0, the output is equal to 1. So this is the unit sample sequence. Now getting into the unit step sequence. It is given by u of n is equal to 1 for n greater than or equal to 0 and 0 otherwise. In the waveform representation or the discrete representation, it is looking like this. From 0 and onwards on the x-axis, its amplitude will be equal to 1 and in all other locations, the value will be equal to 0. Now let us go through the simulation for this waveform. Now this is the Scilab program for generating unit step functions. Now if we run this one, we are going to get this unit step function. So as it can be observed, so from 0 and onwards, the positive, so the value of the amplitude of the signal is equal to 1 and in all other locations it is equal to 0. So in this case we have taken the range only from 0 to 5, that's why it is showing the values from 0 to 5, that is from 0 to n we have considered. Thanks for watching.